this desk below because this is a great desk. It's from Amazon. It has a cup holder and it has a holder for headphones on the other side, but I'm gonna start with my printer. The pink printer from, what is this, Canon. This is a Canon printer. It's the Canon Pixma. I'll link this printer down below. I use this for, you know, printing obviously, but also for printing stickers on top of here. This is my new iPhone 12 Pro Max that I just unboxed. I have to activate it and set it up and everything. This is a cat paw mouse pad. I just have it sitting up here because I don't really have a place to put it right now. This is a Zenitsu plush that my boyfriend got for me. I love Zenitsu. This is the Razer mic. The Razer mic. So then, okay, this is my main monitor. It's 24 inches. It's, what is it? It's an HP monitor. 24 inches. I got it from Amazon. And this is my second monitor. It's also an HP from Amazon. This desk is really freaking cool because it comes with a monitor riser. This is a wrist rest, but I'm currently using this one right now. This one came with this adorable mouse pad, so I'm using this one at the moment. So I'm just like keeping this one here for lack of a better place to put it. And then over here I have my speaker. It's just a little like cheap $15 speaker from Amazon. So I have my speaker like hidden back there. And then this is my keyboard. This keyboard, I forget what it's called, but like it's really cute. I have cat hair on it, don't mind that. Light up keyboard, very cute. I also still have my longer full-length keyboard, but I just have that one like in storage right now because I'm really liking the smaller sized keyboards at the moment. This is my Razer mouse. This is the same mouse as my other like setup tour. Oh, sorry, Harry. This cable is for my Wacom tablet. I keep my Wacom tablet underneath my desk. It's in that pink case right there. So when I'm ready to use my Wacom tablet, I just take it out of the case and I put it up here and I just connect it and then it's ready to use. I also use my iPad Pro to draw. Oh yeah, this is my controller that I use when I'm gaming. I've been gaming with my boyfriend. And I got these cute cat paw joystick covers for it. And I just keep that there. This is my PC, obviously. I have a TikTok of the specs of my PC. I'll put my TikTok name here. So just go to my TikTok, scroll down. I have it labeled. It says like PC build or something. This cable is for my mic. I only plug it in when I'm playing games because I don't want the government listening in on me or something like that. This is my Devoom speaker. I always keep Kenma on the screen. I know that I can change it to like any character and I love him so much. But yeah, I love this thing. It's a little Bluetooth speaker, and you can also play games on it and do a bunch of other cool stuff too. You can make pixel art and a bunch of cool stuff. I will also have this linked below. And this is my Razer. Don't mind my trash can. And don't mind the cables. Please don't look at the cables. I'm not good at cable management. These are my headphones. The stains on them is hair dye stains, okay? Because I dye my hair a lot. So that's hair dye stains. But anyways, this is my Razer headphones. They're the basic ones. They don't light up or anything. But yeah, this desk has a hook for it for keeping headphones. Wacom Tablet. that was my monitor riser before I got this desk, but now I obviously don't need it, so I just keep it down there, and I still keep stuff in the drawer. In the black case, that is my old laptop. That's my very first laptop is in there, and I keep it just because there are some things on my old laptop that sometimes I need to get to. In the floral laptop case, that's my new laptop that I currently use. That's a BTS wall scroll, no face painting that I made, stickers that I made, a One Punch Man wall scroll that like my monitor's block, but it has Saitama, Genos, and Sonic, and a Kaneki Ken wall scroll that I've had forever that I love with my whole heart. And then on this shelf I have another No Face. As you can tell, I love No Face. And then I have this, what is this, Sailor Moon lanyard. On this shelf I have a little mini USB fan, so I plug that in and keep it on my desk when I'm like hot. That's a little kawaii doodle class that like, I use that as inspiration for making new stickers. That is what I used to hold my headphones until I got this desk. So if I ever get new headphones, then I'll just put them there. This shelf has my Dio lamp. I love Dio. Stan Dio. I also have tarot cards there. And then this is a Rengoku charm. I love Rengoku. And then Tanjiro charm. But yeah, I think that's everything. I really think that's everything. But yeah, I'm pretty sure that's it. Also, this is my gaming chair. It's the same as before. So this is my Wacom Tablet case. This is my tablet stand. So I just put down my tablet stand, and then take out my Wacom tablet. And I do it like that, and then my pencil's in here as well. I just place it in the little holder. And then, like I said, the cable for my Wacom tablet, I just plug it in. And then I turn it on. And then bam. And then I draw. And like, I love this desk because it has so much space. Like, I'm literally able to fit everything that I need on here. And then I can even put my drawing tablet on here and draw comfortably and still have enough space. And then, you know, I draw or whatever. Ooh, and it shows on the screen. And then I'll usually be reading on this screen. So I simply unplug my Wacom tablet, remove it, and I get my iPad. I also use the same stand to put my iPad on. It's a lot smaller than my Wacom tablet, but it's just as comfortable to draw on. Like, if you were to ask me which do I prefer to draw on, my Wacom tablet or my iPad Pro, like, I couldn't tell you which I prefer because I love drawing on both of them equally. This is my original character that I'm working on. I'm drawing him in different views, and I'm basically designing his character.